Just going to stop here, and I'm going to see if I can put on the navigation at the same time. So I'm recording, and let's see what happens. So I need to go to, what do I need to go to? Bluetooth. Devices. Rider. Yeah, okay, so that's good. Let's get the phone connected. GPS, finally. Yeah, looks like I'm still recording. Yeah, still recording. Let's see if we can get this GPS to work. My Triumph. Settings. Okay, so it's connected. I go back to that. Connections, connection. Navigation. Okay, don't let it annoy you. So we're going to go home. Start. Please manually disable the battery optimization setting for my Triumph app to get an uninterrupted navigation experience. Okay. Alright. So let's see what happens. Because what's been happening is it's been dropping out. It's saying no Wi-Fi connection. I can't figure out why. Alright, let's get going. This is not the quickest way home. It wants us to do a U-turn, but we'll go down over Latimer's Crossing. I've done a video on Latimer's Crossing before, so let's see what happens. So it's telling me to do a U-turn in 300 metres, but we're not going to do that. I'll tell you one thing, this twin fan system throws the bloody heat out on your legs, especially in excuse me, especially here in Australia. You notice the heat. In northern hemisphere countries it's probably good, but the temperature here now is 30.5 degrees and it's 9 AM in the morning. I'm supposed to be getting up to 33, I think, or 34. And the humidity is another thing. It's bloody horrible. Alright, so it looks like it's telling us in 0.6 of a kilometre. Here we go. Thank you. 0.6 of a kilometre to turn left on a Latimer's Crossing Road, which is exactly where I want to go. And 22 kilometres home, but I'm not actually going to go home. Thank you. We're not going to go home directly, we're going via the Triumph dealer in Lawrence Drive at Nerang to book this bike in for its first service. I think it was maybe just short of 900 kilometres when I left Canungra about 40 minutes ago. So I'll book it in sometime next week and I'll have the 1,000 kilometres up by then. Right, so 100 metres, we're going to turn left. Oh, I get it. We weren't on Gilston Road at all. We're now on Gilston Road. We still were on Latimer's Crossing Road. It was just telling us that the next turn coming up was Gilston Road, that makes sense. We're on Gilston Road. Okay, so I'm going to take the second exit, which is the one I want. And I'll check and see if the GoPro is still recording. Should be, I didn't switch it off. Little kid waved to me in the back of the car there. He or she wants to be a motorcycle rider. It looked like a he, I think, only because of the short hair, but anyway. So I can't toggle up or down. No. So I wonder if I go left or right. Yep. Still recording. How about that? Alright, very good. And the battery's just about done. The reason I couldn't connect the GoPro earlier is because I had to go onto the GoPro itself and go to the wireless connection and turn it on. And after I read the instructions and did it, worked seamlessly. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and share. I hope this video has been of some use to someone with a Tiger 900 GT Pro and checking out the workings of how the GoPro works with the TFT screen. Okay, catch you later, bye.